Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, if you're always watching, you know I'm going to pick up myself. About China, just like it look with them.
They're free because they get other free water, free amount.
Yep, so we're currently in a town. In town with mommy. Mommy rules a drive down Boulevard. Oh, see the place where we are at about. So what? Oh. Alright, so we don't. Oh, they're on the boulevard, mommy. So they're at the boulevard. What down here's the name? Marcus Garvey Drive? Okay. So the Marcus Garvey Drive.
Can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be.
Look a bit hot. But then it breathes slower. Alright, so. Alright, I'm gonna probably see the blows about 10 million times, but it was the thing that I wanted to draw. Now, right now, we'll go by Nature Mix, which is over here. The factory. So we're now by Nature Mix factory. I don't get in trouble, but you know, you know, ask the question. Like him did expect you to tell him. So they buy Nature Mix though. Mommy, you'll park at some black somebody again?
No, one bike, you know. One more there further down.
I'm not sure. Oh, you see one further down? See man, see.
You buy it in a grey bed?
Who said you in grey beard? I see him bike.
I'm not feeling bad. I'm like a virgin.
Oh.
Then one bag at him.
Alright, so
We're here.
all of those stuff I think when you make you feel mean or whatever. Not too sure. Why not your name, amigo? Alright, so Bobby here. And as we said before with the Nature Mix, so yeah, that's what's up.
Anyway, but you can go on.
Yeah, you can go on. I have to get it out there way the truck here. They say the truck, I drive her up on the scale, so that thing, well, and here that's the scale, so the drive on the scale to weigh whatever. Alright, so we got some free papers. Not sure what mommy is going to do with these papers, but yeah, she just asked me if she can have them and then just allow her to take them. So yeah. Oh my god. I guess you can put in a like chicken box when you get baby chicks and all them something there. So yeah, some right there. So and as I told you, them factory have, I guess they make feeding and all of that. All of them something, you know, them factory something here over here. So yeah. But see, I told you that the breeze is very cool, I must say. The breeze is very cool. Like, I'm so cool right now. It's unexpected because I'm in Kingston. But mommy gonna use the restroom. She's not even sure. Oh yeah, she gone through. Me feel like me probably want to do something. I should probably go to the bathroom too, you know. Yeah. My eyebrow them want shave up and so forth, but that ain't happening for any time soon because by your girl gets our eyeliner pencil, our eyebrow pencil, and look at concealer. The eyebrow them look like them did do up and so forth. You understand? So yeah, it's kind of a late time for me because I was gonna take taxi coming to town. Actually, I will take taxi coming here, come over town because mommy is running late, and I want to be able to get through with collecting my packages and then go to Clarendon and come back on my yard. And it's curfew time, so I don't know say curfew time can I make the thing shaky and so forth. Alright, God guys, my ear did dry this morning too long. Me not wear it out like about 3 days now. When you see in the vlog, me just take it off because me know I'm coming at the vlog with my ear, with my hair all covered and thing, you understand? But from that, me not go nowhere. I've not been going to work. I only go to work 1 time per week these days now because of the high COVID cases in Jamaica. So, and that would be the day if we go to work is tomorrow. So yeah, so this morning I feel kind of oily with coconut what is the name? Coconut oil. So mommy come back, so we are going to the car now. Business down on the wharf where they sell holy passion.
Hello, good evening. Where you find zero? Zero.
Ice please.
No, one place said garlic. No, I didn't. No, I go buy someone else, but me the accident say over zero. But remember on the front, me see one place mark zero.
The side, the zero side. Oh, we don't see the side. On the front.
Okay, alright. Alright.
Them no have idea. Everybody clueless the way you talk about it.
Exactly.
Eh?
Exactly, touch. Never clue.
Hey, what you van? So we're over this farm, big farm place. I think it named Geddes or something like that. So now you can actually see that we're very close to the wharf. Well, they don't on the wharf section, but not necessarily over by the wharf. But you can see like somebody containers them and so forth. You got some cars that probably people ship out and them no want no more. Them nobody come clear them crash car and all them something because they used to do crash car business. Don't know if them still do those stuff. And yeah. All of that, so that's the pre the day. When I come to town doing business and mommy, I get to go all over. So right now the I'm going to hear your name again. I'm not Papine with it. No, Papine there further up. Old Oak Road, yeah, Old Oak Road. Going down to Alpha Tree side. Yep, so it's time to go home now, home time. Just went and picked up some packages and all that, so yeah. So today is Wednesday and town is very scanty in the Wednesday here. Not a lot of traffic, not at all. The road is very free and probably because a lot of persons are work from home and all of that, so probably that's why the road is so scanty and so free. So yeah, I must say that's kind of something good for people who like the traffic them because Honestly, traffic here is in Kingston. Sometimes it can be so overwhelming. Like sometimes, honestly, so overwhelming. Right now we're there in an Alpha tree. I don't know if I can see. We're in an Alpha tree now. Yep. So now we're on the last thing that is supposed to be done in Kingston. A nail I dropped. Nails falling. We got 5 pound, not 2.5 inch nail.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you, babe?
I am good. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so mommy, we did a little thing because they didn't want to tell her the entire amount of nail that she wanted. So she was ordering 10 pound, but through the nail them like pull out and them hard to pick up. She then no one gave her the 10 pound, so she purchased 5 and then she just said me go buy the next 5 pound. Yeah, you see how smart that was? Don't work on people place and be lazy, you know? Yeah, people will all smart you. So that's what's going on, and we're about to leave town soon. So as I said, my mama make a fair 5 pound, they don't serve out yet. So yeah. Okay, so that's what's up. I'm kind of ready to leave town too. It doesn't seem as if I'm gonna get to go to Clarendon. Oh my god, so mad. But I guess I have to leave that to one next day because I needed meat, chicken meat. I normally get that for free from my mother or father, and eggs and brown provision and all them somebody, but guess that's not happening for today. So yeah. Okay guys, so I got home. I just had some KC for dinner. Sorry I never shown that. I never had a tip board for sure, no? But anyways, I got home probably almost 2 hours ago, and I'm just coming here to end out the video. It was a very long day all over Kingston. Me and my mother, as usual, shouldn't know when to stop travel. Like, you know, she also makes stop all over. So anyways, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below in the comment section. If you're always watching A-Wag and big up on yourself. Until another video or vlog, it's a girl Dominique, and I'll see you. Bye bye.